Hello everyone, Amy here. Welcome to my channel. Thank you so very much for being here. I greatly appreciate each and every one of you. If you are returning to my channel, thank you so much for your continued support. And if you're new, I'm so glad you're here and I hope to see you again in the future. So today I am doing a swipe on this old record with Liquidtex, turquoise blue, and Australian floetrol. I am testing out other brands of paint so that you don't have to. I already have a couple of videos out and a few of the brands don't work, but the Liquidtex, oh my goodness, it is fabulous with Australian floetrol. So definitely give it a try. So here I am loading up my palette. For this test, I always like to do a swipe on my base color. It also gives it a little bit of contrast in the background, but you also get a little peek at what exactly the paint can do. And look at that reaction. I was so excited at this point. I was kind of jumping up and down. I was pointing at the record there. I'm like, oh my goodness, this worked so very well. And then that one little spot, I thought I want to see if blowing on it really brings out that lacing and those cells, and it worked absolutely amazing. So I do one more swipe here just to get a little bit more contrast in the background, and then I will be adding my colors. I would really love to hear if you try this. Leave me a comment down below. If you are a fluid artist and have a YouTube channel and you record a video, please tag me. I would love to hear how things went for you. So this is DecoArt Copper, Mont Marte Purple, and Mont Marte Aquagreen. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I would love if you would do so if you haven't already. I am so very close to 1,000 subscribers. It would be a huge help in getting me to that fabulous goal of 1,000. All right, so I know this color combination is a little bit wild. I tend to pick my colors intuitively, and what that means is I sort of have like a feeling, or I have a color combination that comes to me, and in this case especially, I was like, oh my gosh, I don't know if this color combination is gonna look good. But I've never really had an issue when I get a strange color combination, and it looks fabulous. I was actually really surprised at how beautiful this piece looks, and even after it dried, I'm sorry, I'm at the very end of a cold, and oh, I just cannot get rid of that last little bit. Anyway, I have dried results at the very end of this piece, so be sure to stick around so that you can see how fabulous this piece looks dry. I typically resin all of my records once they're dry, and I don't resin during the winter. And here in Ontario, Canada, our weather has really started to warm up. Yesterday and today it felt like 30 degrees Celsius. I'm just west of Toronto, Ontario. And today, again, it's supposed to feel like 30 degrees. So I'm getting excited to get all of the pieces that I've done over the winter resined. But of course, we are gonna have a little bit more cold weather, unfortunately. but it is the reality of Ontario, Canada. Okay, so here is the close-up of the wet results. Let me know what you think of this color combination. Like I said, it's a little bit strange, but it looks really fabulous together. Even with the turquoise blue as the swipe color. I really, really love it. I love how the copper pops through and brings up some really, really beautiful cells. The Liquidtex paint just was fabulous with the Australian floetrol. I mixed my paint with the Australian floetrol, 1 part paint to 3 parts Australian floetrol. Just as an FYI, all of the paints that I mix with Australian floetrol for swiping or for doing blooms, that's how I mix them. And yeah, I'm really enjoying this color combination. So don't forget to leave me a comment down below about what you think. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. I would love if you would hit that thumbs up as well. And here are the dried results hanging up on my wall in my art studio. It dried fabulous. The colors are amazing. I love the darkness of the purple and the opacity of the aqua green, and the turquoise blue swipe just really, really complements all of these colors together. Love, 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 and very much looking forward to seeing how it looks once it's resined. All right, everyone, have a great day and a great week. I will see you in the next video. Bye!